you get this error message which says network features cannot be used launching in offline mode with an error code which is 1070. Now I'll guide you on how to resolve this issue, and in most cases this occurs in Death Stranding 2, so you should follow these instructions very carefully. Now you get this error code here. The error code 1070, as you see it here on the screenshot, just mean like this. So the error code 1070 indicates a connection problem to Death Stranding servers, and typically occurs when the servers are down for maintenance or a problem with your internet connection. Now you can try the fixes here. Just close the game, restart your device and router or modem, then relaunch the game again, and the issue should just be resolved. Now, if you have done so but are still facing again the same issue, try connecting to a different network, such as using your phone hotspot or a different Wi-Fi connection. So try connecting to a different network, such as using your phone hotspot or a different Wi-Fi connection. Also, make sure you're not using a VPN. So make sure you're not connected to any VPN. If it all fails, then their servers may be down for maintenance. Wait for a few hours and the issue should resolve by itself. So that's the main reason you face this error code. It just occurs when their servers are down for maintenance or a problem with your internet connection. Try these fixes here, and if it fails, just wait for a few hours and the issue should resolve by itself. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this tutorial has helped you, and see you next time.